Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today is day 5 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and you're going to be really excited about today's giveaway if you're flying a Mavic Air 2 drone. But before we get to the goodies, why would you ever invite a mushroom to a Christmas party? Because he's a fun guy to be with. I know you're moaning now, but you're going to be telling these jokes over Christmas, I guarantee it. Anyway, on the 5th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a really nice set of Mavic Air 2 accessories. That's right, we're giving away all of these as one prize. And here's the best part. We're giving away 2 sets of them, so we're going to pick 2 winners out of all the entries that come in and give 2 sets of these away. Now, included with the set is a brand new carrying case for your Mavic Air 2. It's a soft case, but it's got a really nice weatherproof exterior and soft foam inside that will hold the drone, the controller, a couple of batteries, and a ton of accessories. It's a great way to sort of transport your drone, especially now that we're heading into these winter months where it's colder and there's snow and there's rain. It's going to really protect your technology. In addition to that, we're giving away a car charger. It's a 3-way car charger which will charge 2 batteries at the same time. So you basically plug it into your car. Both batteries will charge simultaneously. In addition, it's got a USB port on it you can use with any cable you've got to charge another device, whether it be a phone, a tablet, a controller, whatever you want to charge. Just plug it in, you're good to go. Also included is a sun hood. This snaps onto your controller because if you're out there in bright sunlight trying to fly, you've got a lot of sun coming across the screen and it's washing it out. That's a nice little hood like a baseball cap that snaps onto your controller and it'll protect your phone or your smaller tablets from that sun getting across that screen. So it'll work great with all the phones that are on the market today. It'll even work with some of the smaller tablets like the iPad Mini 4 or Mini 5, and it's a really great accessory to have. So we're including that. And finally, we're including a lanyard kit which snaps onto the controller for the Mavic Air 2, and it comes with a lanyard for around your neck, and you can basically let go of your controller and do something with your hands if you need to, and the controller will hang right here around your neck. You can pick it back up and fly when you need to fly. So all 4 of these are included with the kit, and we're sending out 2 sets of these to 2 lucky winners as part of this giveaway. And again, I try to make these contests as simple as possible, so there's no shenanigans, there's no jumping through hoops to win. You basically hit the link below. It'll ask for your email and your YouTube subscriber name, and I need both of those because I need 2 ways to get a hold of you at the end of the contest in case one doesn't work. And I promise you, we're not keeping any of that stuff. So after 7 days, we're going to look at the list of entries that came in. We're going to pick 2 winners. I'm going to send you an email and let you know, hey, you won the Mavic Air 2 accessory kit. Where can I ship it to? And then we're going to put it in a bag, in this case, probably a box because it's a lot of stuff, and I'm going to ship it to you. There are no shipping charges, no strings attached. We're not asking for anything from you other than you just entering the contest because it's Christmas time, and I love this time of year so much because I get a chance to give back to all the viewers and supporters of the channel throughout the year, and it just delights me to be able to do this for you guys because we're lucky enough to have a channel where we get a lot of different gear. These came from the Drone Valley team. We actually put these together ourselves, but we've got a lot of sponsors that throw gifts at us and say, hey, give these away for Christmas. Today, this is a Drone Valley product, but we're happy to do it, and I love the fact that you guys are supporting the channel so much. We get a lot of good interaction with you, a lot of great questions, a lot of interesting stories, so keep that up, but please enter that contest. And again, I don't care where in the world you live. I say this every time. I always pick some kind of funky place. Schenectady. I guess that's over by me here in Jersey. But you can live in Schenectady and we'll ship it to you. You could live in the south of France, which is probably a great place to live. I've never been there, but it sure sounds beautiful. It doesn't matter to me. We're going to pick a winner. We're going to figure out where you live and we're going to ship it to you. So make sure you enter the contest. Again, I have so much fun doing these every year, and I know they're goofy, but we're having a lot of fun here, so I hope you guys are enjoying the clips. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for all the support you've given us throughout the year. And until next time, and by the way, there's 7 more of these coming, so pay attention to the channel. Anyway, until next time, happy flying.